What's up guys, your boy Tyler here. Today is day 3 of the Florida trip and everybody's waking up. We got some people laying down on their phones checking up updates. We got my boy Mike eating his breakfast burrito. My dude T-Dinh just woken up. And Tommy eating a cold chicken. As he apparently likes it at all. But so far, yeah, everybody's getting situated. We're gonna have a nice day at the beach again. And today, we might go to a place called Pier Park, which is like a shopping strip. And we'll see what kind of goods they have over there. So stay tuned and watch. Thanks. What's up guys, your boy Tyler here. Today is also day 3 and guess what? We're at the beach again. It's really sunny, very clear. The water is quite middle between warm and cold. So it's not bad getting it. And also it's my brother doing a little trick for you. Well, first try, but it's alright. No worries. But today we're gonna have a fun-filled time, so stay tuned and watch. Bro, you good, man? Oh, crap! Oh! What's up guys, it's your boy Tyler here. Right now we currently just got done with the beach and basically we just made dinner. We was eating the same thing from yesterday, like lo, which is Vietnamese hot pot. And we got on this side, we got people chilling, and we got this side playing some music, and we got this side eating some, like I said, lo. Pretty good, isn't it, huh? But so far, after the dinner we're gonna head out somewhere in what's it called? We're gonna head out to some kind of ice cream place where they serve the best ice cream, I hear. So stay tuned and watch for that, and catch you on the next few updates. Thanks. What's up guys, your boy Tyler here. We made it to the ice cream shop and I got made myself a milk chip. Going around, everybody enjoying the ice cream. Yeah, we enjoy it all night. But yeah, this might be the end of the night. Thanks for watching my videos and have a blessed day. Peace.